Using the accompanying graphs, find A, G of f of 2. To get started, we'll evaluate f of 2. For that, we'll need to use the graph of f. First of all, we locate 2 along the x-axis. We see that a vertical line intersects the graph at the point 2, 0. Therefore, the corresponding function value is 0. So we're going to substitute 0 for f of 2. Now we evaluate g of 0. We'll need to use the graph of g of x. And the 0, which was an output for f, will become an input for g. A vertical line at x is equal to 0 intersects the graph of g at the point 0, 1. Therefore, g of 0 is equal to 1. It follows that g of f of 2 is equal to 1. For part B, we're asked to find f of g of negative 1. So first of all, we'll evaluate g of negative 1 using the graph of g. When x is equal to negative 1, we see that the corresponding function value of g is 2. So we substitute 2 for g of negative 1. Now we use the graph of f to find f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, f of g of negative 1 is equal to 0. For part C, we're to find g of f of 0. So first of all, let's use the graph of f to evaluate f of 0. From the graph of f, we see that f of 0 is equal to 4. So we substitute 4 for f of 0. We then use the graph of g to evaluate g of 4. The graph of g contains the point 4, negative 3, so negative 3 is equal to g of 4. Therefore, g of f of 0 is equal to negative 3. Finally, for part D, we're asked to find g of f of 1. So first of all, we evaluate f of 1 using the graph of f. We see that f of 1 is equal to 3, so next we evaluate g of 3. G of 3 is equal to negative 2, so g of f of 1 is equal to negative 2.